Today, I'd like to talk about how you can generate 5 different types of passive income with a small budget. Active income is the income we earn as a result of our hard work. When we work for money, we are earning an active income. However, when our own money works for us, it is referred to as passive income. Passive income is generated by investments. It's not possible for everyone to learn how to generate passive income without active intervention. What is the best way to generate passive income? When our investment earns a profit as a result of our timely decision, we generate passive income. We are compensated for the decisions we make and the risks we take with this type of income. We are compensated for the decisions we make and the risks we take with this type of income. We tend to put off making decisions when we're afraid of investing. As a result, nothing happens to our money. To generate passive income, we must make sound decisions about what and when to invest, rather than simply deciding not to invest. We must also consider risk. The higher the risk, the greater the return. The lower the risk, the longer it will take to realize the potential return. It all depends on who we are and what type of investment suits us best. Proactive people are naturally career-oriented, which allows them to generate an active income. Patient people, on the other hand, make sound decisions and take calculated risks. The question now is what kind of earner we should be. Active earners have complete control over how much they can earn, but there is a limit, just as there is a limit to their energy and time. When they stop, their income stops as well. Passive earners, on the other hand, are more efficient in the sense that they have an unlimited potential for earning a high income with little effort. Furthermore, passive earners can be both active and passive earners. Passive income appears to be more advantageous. Everyone, in my opinion, should consider earning an income that is not solely derived from their work activity. On the other hand, as long as our income is solely based on the number of hours that we work, it must be considered limited, precisely because the number of hours we have available in a day is limited. It is therefore critical that we try to create an income that is unrelated to our commitment as much as possible, and that can grow over time, allowing us to live more peacefully from an economic standpoint. If you're a photographer or simply enjoy taking pictures, you can sell your images on sites like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. The layout pays about 30 cents on average for each photo sold. The commissions differ depending on how the photo is purchased, whether by subscription or single sale, as well as the size of the image. In general, whether small, medium, or large, the profit rarely exceeds $1 per photo. If you can insert these beautiful photographs on these sites, perhaps by inserting them in different niches, you can generate a passive income in the tens of dollars per month. Now I'll go over what I believe is the best way to build an income-generating asset, which is to start an accumulation plan for stocks or ETFs. In simple terms, shares are the shares of companies that, if listed on the stock exchange, we can easily buy and sell, and distribute a dividend or portion of the profits that the company earns each year and may decide to distribute to its members. If we start an accumulation plan, we will be able to acquire, at regular intervals, quotas of companies that will be able to guarantee us an own rendering from dividends that will grow with the course of our plan. The more we invest in the coming months, the more likely it is we will receive dividends from single actions on which to accumulate investments. In this case, one of the ETFs, which are instruments that replicate the course of a basket of actions, may be a better choice. As a result, with a single investment, we are acquiring a stake in a number of companies. This has numerous benefits, the most important of which is that it allows us to diversify our investments, while simultaneously lowering the total risk. As an example, it replicates the path of the world's most publicly traded companies. Those who have invested in US stocks have seen their dividends grow year after year for at least 20 years. The convenience is precisely in the fact that with a single investment, it is as if we were buying many shares. This income will also increase as the scope of our accumulation strategy expands. The more we invest over the course of the year, the more likely it is that we will earn passive income. It is correct to state that a few thousand euros invested in stocks or ETFs is insufficient to generate a significant passive income. It is certainly possible for everyone to arrive at interesting figures, even in the order of a few $100s per month over the years by continuing to accumulate. More information on how to begin an accumulation plan in stocks or ETFs can be obtained from a bank or an independent financial advisor. Another option is to put money into peer-to-peer lending platforms. Peer-to-peer lending, like a bond, is a type of financing in which money is loaned to businesses and individuals in exchange for interest and repayment of the capital. Peer-to-peer lending platforms are marketplaces that connect people and businesses in need of financing with investors looking to make a profit with their liquidity. Sometimes the platform itself makes loans, while other times it is limited to so-called indirect intermediation, in which it makes loans available to investors from the best foreign platforms provided by other financial institutions. Another option is to try to start an online business that can provide a passive income. The advantage is you require less initial investment than you would for a physical activity-based business, such as a store or restaurant. You can make money by ranking high in Google searches and monetizing your articles on your website through advertising. You can do this by signing up for Google AdSense, submitting the request, and waiting for Google to review the site. You can begin placing advertisements within it as soon as we give you the go-ahead. Another example is the YouTube channel. In this case, if you create videos that rank at the top search results, you may be able to obtain virtualization and then monetize over time. In fact, if you meet two criteria, 1,000 members and 4,000 hours of total views, YouTube will allow you to begin earning money from the display of your videos, which will include an advertisement. If you believe it will be difficult to create a site and generate interest from scratch, another option is to purchase one that has already begun. The cost can be quite reasonable, even in the range of a few thousand euros. A site with a decent amount of traffic and cash flow has demonstrated that it can be an excellent source of passive income. Some have good content, known as evergreens, that will generate clicks even years after they are published. Furthermore, once you purchase the site, you'll be able to insert additional content that will generate more clicks and thus increase your earnings. In addition to Google AdSense advertising, you can insert links generated by affiliate programs into your site to potentially generate additional revenue. Finally, another option is to write one or more books that, over time, can become a reference on a specific topic, such as the gym, cooking, or investing. Today, you can do this in a very simple way by using Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing service. It allows you to easily publish ebooks and paper books on the site, and Amazon pays a 70% royalty on sales. The price you select can be changed at any time without issue. A book takes a lot of work to create, but once published, if successful, it can provide a good source of passive income for many years. Whether you're stuck in a cycle of debt, earning too little to maintain your desired standard of living, or simply want to get a jump on saving for a major financial goal, check out the description below for our recommended resources for taking control of your finances right now. If you've already established one or more passive income streams, specify which ones in the comment section below. That's all for today. We'll be back soon with a new video.